Hello students, welcome to maths class. Last class we have been completed up to the question number 15. So today I am going to discuss from the question number 16, and the question is, here he has given that the matrix A, and we need to prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equals to O matrix. So this question is important for 5 mark. Annual exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. So to prove this given equation, first we need to find the matrix A square and A cube. So as you know that A square is equals to A into A matrix and A cube is equals to A square into A matrix. So first we need to find the matrix A square. So let's start the solution. ನಾನು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಪಡ್ರಿ. So A square is equals to A into A matrix. So A is given into A matrix. Into A matrix. Again same thing, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. Product of these two matrices is equals to first row first column 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4. First row second column 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 0, 0. First row third column 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 3, 6. Similarly, second row first column 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2. Second row second column 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 0, 0. Second row third column 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, 3. And similarly, third row first column 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6. Third row second column 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 3 into 0, 0. Third row third column 2 into 2, 4, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into 3, 9. Therefore, matrix A square is equals to 1 plus 4, 5, this is 0, and 2 plus 6, 8, 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 6, 8, 0, 4 plus 9, 13. So this is the required matrix A square, and now we need to find the matrix A cube, and A cube is equals to A square into A matrix. So now A cube is equals to A square into A matrix. So A square is obtained, and into A matrix is given 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು product of these two matrices. First row first column 5 into 1, 5, 0 into 0, 0, 8 into 2, 16. First row second column 5 into 0, 0, plus 0 into 2, 0, plus 8 into 0, 0. First row third column 5 into 2, 10, 0 into 1, 0, 8 into 3, 24. And similarly, second row, first column, 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 0, 0, 5 into 2, 10. Second row, second column, 2 into 0, 0, 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 0, 0. Second row, third column, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 3, 15. And similarly, third row, first column, 8 into 1, 8, 0 into 0, 0, 13 into 2, 26. Third row, second column, 8 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 13 into 0, 0. Third row, third column, 8 into 2, 16, 0 into 1, 0, 13 into 3, 39. Therefore, required matrix A cube is equals to 16 plus 5, 21, 0, 10 plus 24, 34, 2 plus 10, 12, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 15, 23, 8 plus 26, 34, 0, 16 plus 39, 45, 45 plus 10, 55. And this is the required matrix A cube. Now, to prove this given equation, let us consider the LHS of this equation. LHS ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I equal to ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? O matrix, in the sense 0 matrix. So let us consider LHS. A cube matrix is given by, already A cube is matrix obtained. A cube matrix is given by 21, 0, 34, 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55, 34, 0, 55, minus 6 into matrix A square. So A square is given by 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. 8, 0, 13. Plus 7 into A matrix. So A matrix is 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, and 2, 0, 3. 2, 0, 3. Plus 2 into I matrix. So already you know that I is one of the unit matrix, and order of this unit matrix is same as order of the given matrix A. Therefore, I is a unit matrix of order 3 cross 3. So unit matrix is given by 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So now which is equals to 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55 as it is, minus 6 into 5 30, 6 into 0 0, 6 into 8 48, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30, 6 into 8 48, 6 into 0 0, 13 into 6 78, plus 7 into 1 7, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 2 14, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 2 14, 7 into 1 7, 7 into 2 14, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 3 21, plus 2 into I matrix is 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, and similarly 0 2 0 0 0 2, which is equals to 21 minus 30 minus 9, 0 minus 0 0, 34 minus 48 minus 14, 12 minus 12 0, 8 minus 24 minus 16, 23 minus 30 minus 7, 34 minus 48 minus 14, 0 minus 0 0, 55 minus 78, 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 3, 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 2, and then 55 minus 78 is minus 23, plus addition of these two, 7 plus 2 9, 0 plus 0 0, 14 plus 0 14, 0 plus 0 0, 14 plus 2 16, 7 plus 0 7, 14 plus 0 14, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 21 plus 2 23. Therefore this is equals to minus 9 plus 9 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus 14 plus 14 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus 16 plus 16 0, minus 7 plus 7 0, minus 14 plus 14 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus 23 plus 23 0. This is one of the zero matrix, and which is equals to O matrix, and hence this is equals to RHS. So hence we prove that AQ minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equals to O matrix. I hope all of you understood. I repeat once, this question is important for 5 mark. If possible, take a note. Now the 17th question, here he has given that if these given matrices A and I satisfies this given equation, A square is equals to Ka minus 2I, then find the value of K. So let's start the solution. Here he has given that A square is equals to Ka minus 2I, and as you know that A square matrix is obtained by multiplying the matrix A with A, which is equals to K into A matrix minus 2I. Now matrix A is given by 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into A, again matrix A, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is equals to K into matrix A is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 minus 2 into I matrix. So I matrix is given by 1 0 0 1. If suppose matrix I ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is understood I is a unit matrix of order 2 cross 2 or I is a unit matrix whose order is same as order of the given matrix A. Now product of these two matrices, first row first column, 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. First row second column, 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4. And similarly second row first column, 4 into 3 12 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Second row second column, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, which is equals to 3 into k 3k minus 2 into k minus 2k, 4 into k 4k minus 2 into k minus 2 minus 2 into I matrix. So 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2. Now this is equals to 9 minus 8 1 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 12 minus 8 4 minus 8 plus 4 minus 4, which is equals to difference of these two matrices 3k minus 2 3k minus 2 minus 2k minus 0 is minus 2k, 4k minus 0 is 4k, minus 2k minus 2 minus 2k minus 2. Now these two matrices are in equality condition. Therefore, from the definition of equality of matrices, corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal, and in this second matrix every element consists the value k here. So to find the value of k, you may equate any element of these two matrices. So easy ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4k is equals to 4 equate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So now from the definition of equality of matrices, ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು equate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, 4 is equals to 4k. So therefore k is equals to, shift this 4 towards left hand side, 4 divided by 4, 4 and 4 get cancelled, the value of k is equals to 1. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the solved example number 17. So in your textbook before the exercise 3.2 there exist some solved examples. So among that, this example number 17 is very most important for your annual examination, and this question is asked for so many times for 5 marks. So that's why I am going to discuss this problem. And the question is, here he has given that the matrices A, B and C, and we need to verify A plus B into C matrix is equals to AC plus BC. So to verify this given equation, first we need to find LHS of this equation and then RHS of this equation, and then we need to verify both are equal or not equal. So let's start the solution. So in LHS, first we need to find the matrix A plus B. So A plus B is a matrix which is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. Therefore, matrix A plus matrix B. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. 0 plus 0, 0. Now A plus B into C matrix. So A plus B into C matrix. C matrix is given by 2 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 3. So you may observe here matrix A plus B has 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. Therefore order of the matrix A plus B is 3 cross 3. And the C matrix has 3 number of rows and 1 number of columns. Therefore order of this matrix C is 3 cross 1. Here the number of columns in the first matrix are equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore multiplication of these two matrices is possible. And order of the resultant matrix is 3 cross 1. I hope all of you understood. So A plus B into C matrix is equals to first row with this column 0 into 2, 0. 7 into minus 2, minus 14. 8 into 3, 24. So columns are completed. Obviously we move towards the second row. Second row this column minus 5 into 2, minus 10. 0 into minus 2, 0. 10 into 3, 30. And next third row with this column 8 into 2, 16. Minus 6 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 6 into 2, 12. 0 into 3 is 0, which is equals to 24 minus 14, 10. Minus 10 plus 30 plus 20. 16 plus 12, 28. Therefore this A plus B into C matrix, call it as equation number 1. And now we need to find the matrix AC and BC and then addition of AC and BC. So matrix AC is equals to, matrix A is given by 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, and then 7, minus 8, 0 into C matrix 2, minus 2, 3. So therefore AC matrix is equals to first row with this column 0 into 2, 0. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 7 into 3, 21. So columns are completed with first row. Obviously we move towards the second row. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. 0 into minus 2, 0. 8 into 3, 24. And similarly third row with this column 7 into 2, 14. Minus 8 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 8 into 2, 16. And then 0 into 3 is 0, which is equals to 21 minus 12, 9. 24 minus 12, 12. 14 plus 16, 20, 30. And now we need to find the matrix BC. Now So matrix BC is equals to, B matrix is given by 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 0 2 and then 1 2 0 1 2 0 into C matrix. C matrix is 2 minus 2 3, which is equals to, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, first row with this column 0 into 2 0, 1 into minus 2 1 into 3 3. Second row with this column 1 into 2 2, 0 into minus 2 0, 2 into 3 6. And third row with this column 1 into 2 2, 2 into minus 2 plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4, 0 into 3 is 0, which is equals to 3 minus 2 1, 6 plus 2 8, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now consider AC plus BC. What next? Consider AC plus BC matrix is equals to, matrix AC is obtained by 9 12 30 plus BC matrix is obtained by 1 8 minus 2, which is equals to 9 plus 1 10, 12 plus 8 20, 30 plus into minus minus, so 30 minus 2 is 28, and this is the required matrix AC plus BC. Call it as equation number 2. Now we need to verify both of these two matrices are equal or not equal. So you may observe here, A plus B into C matrix is 10 20 28, and AC plus BC matrix is 10 20 28. Therefore, on comparing equation 1 and equation 2, A plus B into C matrix is equals to AC plus BC. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. I hope all of you understood today's class. So for that, take these two questions as your assignment. So in this first question, he has given that the matrix A, and we need to show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I is equals to 0 matrix. So same question ಇವತ್ತಿನ class ಅಲ್ಲಿ solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. I is a unit matrix whose order is same as order of the given matrix. And to prove this equation, first we need to find the matrix A cube, and matrix A cube is equals to A square matrix into A matrix. So for finding this A cube matrix, we need to find the matrix A square. Therefore, A square matrix is obtained by multiplying the matrix A with A matrix. So after finding the matrix A cube, consider this LHS of given equation and substitute the respective matrices. Directly we get a 0 matrix. And in second question, here he has given that A, B and C matrices, and we need to show that AB into C matrix is equals to A into BC matrix. So ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.